Today I'm going to show you how to use this tangerine essential oil to get off some sticker residue from masking tape on our window. It's really hard to get off. Can't scrape it with your nail. Tried soap and water. I'm going to show you how this works. Also, one thing you want to be careful with is don't get the oil on paint, because sometimes it can remove the paint. So I put this towel down just in case I drip. That's just something to keep in mind. There might be a better way to do it, but I'm just going to put it on my fingers and rub it on the spot. So you just want it to soak in, and it will start to come off. You just gotta let the oils sit on the spot for a minute, and then it scratches right off. Add a little bit more. Then you can wipe it off. There you have it. Also smells good. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe.